Hi everybody, my name is and today this online workshop is going to be about internships. So the two kinds of internships which any law student would like to do is internship in the litigation sector or internship in the corporate sector. So now my input for the corporate sector by Swadesh Gupta, who is interning with the Tier 1 law firm Amarchand and Mangaldas, and my litigation internship experience is my own because I've interned under 2 advocates and under a judge. Now what is an internship? Internship is basically training which law students or any other student does under a professional for a month or two so that they get a first-hand experience of how working professional life looks like. Now I'll be coming to corporate litigation, corporate internships and litigation internships. What are corporate internships? Corporate internships are internships where law students go to a law firm and intern there with the senior advocates or the professionals who are working in that particular law firm. Now the inputs that I've got are inputs from an intern working with Amarchand and Mangaldas, which is a Tier 1 law firm. In corporate, Amarchand especially, what was his experience like and what all did he have to do? Firstly, as soon as he enters the corporate firm, he has to send a morning mail to his team leader, which would be a junior associate, and then he would give him some research work. Now in corporate, because it's a very big law firm, you would not get to go to courtrooms where you handle very big prestigious cases. The only work which an intern is given is to do research and look up cases, case laws related to particular words, and this research has to be very, very precise. Now how do you get into Tier 1, Tier 2 law firms, especially the good law firms like Anand, Amarchand, Mangaldas, Karanjawala, Khaitan? It is very difficult to get in by just simply sending a CV to the HR department. Most people get internships in these law firms by having someone known to them working there, or other ways of doing it is by sending your CV to them and going again and again to the office and pestering them to look into your CV and give you an internship. Sometimes they even pay you because these law firms are very prestigious. They even have a lot of money and they give people money while interning. So here basically what you have to do is research. The time is very crucial. You even go back home by say 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock at night, and then again you have to report by 7 o'clock in the morning. Now litigation internships divided into 2 fields. One is internship under advocate and second is under a judge. Now luckily I have interned under both, so I can give you a first-hand experience of how it's like to intern under both. Now under advocate, it depends on the advocate of how work he wants to give you. You get to attend court proceedings, you get to read up the files, you get to know how a file looks like, how pleadings are done, you get to learn drafting. Now it depends on the advocate what kind of work he will give you and how you learn from that. Now under a judge, personally I feel I learned more when I was interning under a judge because there you get to see the entire proceedings of the courtroom. He gives you research work, you get to make briefs, and sometimes if the judge likes you and thinks you're good enough, you even get to draft judgments in order. Now these are 2 important kinds of internships which students like to do. There are different other internships which a lot of people have done, like internships with non-governmental organizations, public sector undertakings, government departments, multinational corporations, because every company, any company, say Coca-Cola, Pepsi, your brands, they all have the legal department. So you can intern with them as well, but it depends on you how you make your internship worthwhile. Certain positive aspects about interning is that you make connections. Now the legal field is all about making connections, knowing people, so that's how you make clients and people get you clients. You get to meet new people, you get to learn what are the avenues that are open to you as a law student, and then if the people really like your work, you might even get a job there after you finish your degree, which is called a pre-placement offer. The negative aspects of internship is you get to miss your classes. You don't really get to learn about the law. And it might be a wastage of time if you're not putting in effort and you go in late and you don't learn anything. That is what this online program is about. Next week would be a surprise. Please stay online. If you like this and you found it useful, please share it, like it, and comment on it. My name is I hope you found this useful.